Now we have discussed non-decimal to decimal. Now we will discuss decimal to non-decimal, vice versa case. Now the best way for me or for you to test whether whatever I did it is right or wrong, create your own examples in concept 1. Create your examples in concept 1. Check yourself whether Anil Nair is telling right or wrong. If there is something which is not working, oh, please give a call to me and get into a very good, right, conversational communication. It will work, right? Now concept 2. Concept 2. If something is missing at the beginning, you will understand it as the class proceeds, right? Yes, and Abhishek says, Namrata says it is still not clear, no issues. We have got as many examples as possible. Convert the decimal system into a base system. Now, before this, I wanted to tell you something, how mathematics has evolved. Then you will understand mathematics has evolved. I will tell you one-to-many function. One-to-many function. Then you will understand it very clearly. The only operator which is in mathematics is plus. There is no other operator in mathematics other than plus. 2 numbers addition, 3 numbers addition, 4 numbers addition. Addition has got evolved into plus into, right? Into is nothing but a superset of plus. Into is nothing but a superset of plus. If I keep on doing plus, superset name is into. Are you all with me? Superset name is into. If I do negative addition, minus, I get division. If I do into, I get power n. If I do division, I get power 1 by n, which I call it as a third. Are you all with me? Which I call it as a third. This is an element in the set, or which is an subset. This is a superset. To convert from subset to superset, there is a small element in the set. I want to know the behavior of all the elements in the set. I use a derivation, d by dx. If I want to convert from superset to subset, I will use integration. I am sure you agree. Some curve is there. I want to find the area of the curve. What do you mean by area of the curve? Area is nothing but a circumference of all the points which are present in that circle. Are you all with me? Right? For example, x square is there. If I do d by dx, which is nothing but 2x. This example is enough for me to understand it. X square is multiplication. Multiplication is superset. 2x is addition. Addition will result in multiplication. Are you all with me? Right? Or in other words, d by dx is for to get a superset. To get the subset, it is 2x. Why am I saying this? I am saying this because non-decimal to decimal, if I multiplied with bases, to get decimal to non-decimal, decimal to non-decimal, I will do the reverse of multiplication, which is nothing but the inverse of multiplication, which is division. Multiplication and division are inverse functions. Because I am doing the inverse of this, I will do division. Non-decimal to decimal is multiplication. Decimal to non-decimal is division. Now see here. Now listen carefully. Convert the decimal numerical 65 to base 3. 65, I need to do division. 3 21s are 63. Remainder is 2. 3 7s are 21. Remainder is 0. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 1. Go division till you get a number which cannot be further divided. 2 cannot be further divided. So 65 in base system 10 is nothing but 2102 in base system 3. In base system 3. Are you all with me? 65 in base system. 65 in base system 10. In base system 3 is nothing but 2102 in base system 3. Anil sir, I do not understand this mathematical definition. Make it simple. Make it logical. Go from the reverse. If I have to convert from here to here, what I will do? This is 3 power 0. This is 3 power 1. This is 3 power 2. 3 power 3. All these are divisible by 3. What is remaining? 2. Answer should, when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. 6 is divisible by 3. 5 when divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, remainder 2, which is 3k plus 2. Are you all with me? You don't need to mug up how to convert from non-decimal to decimal if you understand the basic definition of using base systems. Are you all with me? One more example which we will solve. Are you all with me? One more example which we will solve. Convert the decimal number 127 into base system 5. Convert the decimal numerical value 127 into base system 5. 127 in base system 5. Non-Anil Nair students will solve like this. They think that everything is available in textbooks. Even textbooks can also be questioned. 525s are 125. Remainder is 2. 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 0. 5 1s are 5. Remainder is 0. I will go till the value 127 in base system. In base system 10 is nothing but 1002 in base system 5. Are you all with me? बेस मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं करने का, मेरे को ये समझ में, if you are a non-mathematical student, first of all you will ask me so many questions. Why should I take from remainder? Why should I do from bottom to top? I am not even understanding. If you are not understanding, forget this logic. Go with Anil Nair logic. If it is 2, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. All these are divisible by 5. Remainder is 2. My 5a plus 2. 5a plus 2. Just check it out. Right? This is nothing but 1 into 10 square, 2 into 10 plus 7 into 10 power 0. Are you all with me? This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. 7 when divided by 5. Remainder 2. Or in other words, divide 127 by 5. 525s are 125. Remainder is 2. Right? These are some things which are not regularly taught in our school days, because at the age of 13 or 14, there is a certain level of competency that is required to clear that examination. I hope it is clear, right? More and more logics we will solve. In case Sarujit, I think you are my enrolled students, please WhatsApp this number with your email ID. There is a team which will take care. 8296 989020. WhatsApp beta your email ID. My team will be happy to help you out. Most of the support team is working from home. You know the reasons and everything. Now another one. I hope the logic is clear. Convert the decimal number 857 into base system 7. Method 1. 857 in base system 7. traditional method. 7 12s are 84, 17, 7 2s are 14, remainder 3. Next one, 7 1s are 7, 52, 7 7s are 49, remainder 3. 7 17s are 119, 3. 7 2s are 14, remainder 3. General method, 857. You open any textbook in India. You are going to coaching anywhere. Please open any textbook that comes into your mind. 99.99% they will teach you traditional method. 857 in base system 10. This is nothing but 2333. 857 in decimal converted into base system 7. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Again, a important key point to all the viewers who are watching the class. In case in between you get a black screen, there is no technical issue. Our battery will work for 45 minutes max. So I have got 4 batteries. There will be a 15 seconds black screen to change the battery. 15 seconds is a nominal time. We can go for a better batteries, but unfortunately I am facing a lot of issues in buying it. Kindly cooperate it. I think this is also a very small issue which can be solved it. If the options are like this, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करने का है sir. Forget about these things. What you do is these 7. Anything before unit digit. Anything before unit digit. Right? First I will do it without answer option. Then I will do it. 857 in base system 7. So how much we got? 857. 7 12s are 2, 3, 7 1s are 52, 7 7s are 3, 7 2s are 2333. 2333 in base system 7, these in base system 10. Now see here. Here all are divisible, 7a plus 3. Answer should be when divided by 7, it should give us 7k plus 3. 7 12s are 84, 17, 7 2s are 14, remainder 3. 7a plus 3. I hope the logic is clear. Now another logic. Now before this logic, converting from non-decimal to decimal, I wanted to discuss something important so that you will understand the connecting between the dots. Listen carefully, sir. Suppose, see here, listen carefully. How to find the base for an equation? I want each and every user to pay an extreme attention on this concept, because this is something which every student should know it. In which base system 14 whole square equivalent to 207? If I say 14, I am telling that this number is in decimal system. But in decimal system, 14 square is 196, but it is 207. That means this question is incorrect in decimal system. This question is incorrect in decimal system. And another way to look at it is, this question is incorrect in decimal system. Why? Because 14 is an even number. Even number on square, I will get an even number. Even number on square is even number into an even number. Even number into an even number, how come I will get an odd number? So definitely this question is incorrect in decimal system. That means in some other system, this equation is right. How students will solve? Method 1, traditional method. How students will solve it in traditional method? What is the traditional method? 1 4 is right in some base system, which is x, which is whole square. 207 is also in some base system x. This is in non-decimal. I discussed how to convert from non-decimal to decimal. This is 4 into x power 0, 1 into x power 1 whole square equivalent to 2 into x square, 0 into x power 1, 7 into x power 0. X plus 4 whole square equivalent to 2x square plus 7. Solve this equation, you will get the answer for x. Most of the students will solve this logic because this logic is only taught in our textbooks. This logic is only taught obediently with a lot of sincerity. Teacher will tell it in a board step by step, very sweetly, very nicely. You will write down in your notebook because we got a habit of writing everything whatever a teacher teaches. If a teacher writes 2 like this, we will also try to write 2 like that. We are absolute copycats of teachers. That's exactly the reasons why teachers should spend a lot of time before the class is taken. Right? This is a traditional method. If you are interested in this traditional method, please sign off from my class immediately. You will get bored in my class. This is traditional method, method 2. I am not interested in this method 1. I am not interested in teaching you what you already know. You will think that you are attending live class with any live class without you learning something new is as equivalent to you not attending the class. Method 2. Method 2. 1/4 whole square equivalent to 207. This is the equation. Now method 2. Method 2. Third class logical method. If this method is taught in your third class, things would have been completely different. Third class, what is taught in third class? I will take it. Example. 37 plus 15, 9. 37 plus 59 is 96. How you got these 96? 37 is in decimal system 10. 59 is in decimal system 10. If the teacher in third class would have taught you like this, 7 plus 9 is 16. Once you get the result, divide it by the base system 10. 10 ones are 10, remaining is 6. That 6 is nothing but the unit digit. If the teacher would have spent 2 more minutes and said how you got 96 like this, things would have been entirely different. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 when I divide by the base system, if nothing is specified, it is by default a decimal system. 16 when divided by 10, remainder is 6. When you divide the resultant with a base system and get the remainder, that remainder is nothing but the unit digit. That remainder is nothing but the unit digit. Now let us solve this question. 1/4 into 1/4, he is telling that answer is 207. In which base system it is right? I know this method. 4 4s are 16. 16 divided by some base system, I will get a remainder. That remainder is nothing but the unit digit. Are you all with me? P is nothing but 9. 16 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Remainder is 7. Answer is finished. Without even converting non-decimal to decimal, I got the answer as this equation is right in base system 9. Are you all with me? Again I am explaining. 1/4 into 1/4. I am not interested in converting. 4 4s are 16. This example states 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 divided by 10. Remainder is 6. Remainder is the unit digit. 4 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 divided by some base. I am finding out that base. That is nothing but the unit digit. In which base system? Answer is right. Options will be there, right? 9, 8, 7, 5. You just do it. 4 4s are 16. 16 divided by 9, remainder is 7, which is the unit digit. 16 divided by 8, remainder is 0, but the remainder is 7. 16 divided by 7, remainder is 2. 16 divided by 5, remainder is 1. So answer is 9. Without even blindly mugging based conversion, don't do it. Don't do anything that is required. Are you right? As Diego Maradona says so beautifully to his Argentina team, there is a way to play football. Play in that way, you will win World Cups. If everybody plays only with an intention to give pass to Messi, then Argentina will never win the World Cup. Argentina is not Messi. A football is not just one person's things. A cricket is not one person. It's glory. One person can turn around. One person can score century and create a great score. But the bowler should also play very well to make the other batsman get out at an early stage. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. We will do some more examples. In what base is the equation 5 3 into 1 5 equivalent to 7 3 2 valid? By looking at the question, 3 5s are 15. 15 divided by some base system, I will get the remainder. Remainder is the unit digit. P is nothing but 1 3. Are you all with me? A 2 minutes problem became a 5 seconds problem because you have listened to my YouTube live class. Are you all with me? I hope you are enjoying this beauty beyond what is taught in textbooks. 3 5s are 15. 15 divided by which number? I will get 2 as the remainder. 15 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Remainder is 2. I hope the logic is clear. Yes or no? Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is yes. If it is yes, kindly reply whether you have understood it or not. Yes or no? I want yes or no. If you say yes, I will discuss a little high quality problems. If you say no, I will discuss the same replica problems so that you will understand it better. Kindly reply it in the live chat. 3 5s are 15. 15 divided by which number? I will get 2 as the remainder. Answer is 13. Answer is 13. Everybody should reply, right? This is how you should prepare for competitive examination. You think clearing CAT examination with 99 percentile, right, is a casual activity? Then you are living in the world of illusion, right? There lies the great mentoring who converts your score from 98 to 99 plus percentiler. Do you think just doing an unproductive things for the next 15 days, right, will make you rise and shine in life? Of course, there are days where you don't feel like doing anything. It's a human tendency. I mean, 15 days, give me 4 hours of your time. Intellectually, I will make you grow. I hope it is clear. Next, another question, right? Yes, one more question, right? I know that she is preparing for CAT examination, so I will take an exact CAT question. Yes, look at this question. Look at this question. 563 base system X, 54A4 base system X, 433 base system X, 2203 base system X. The worst part about it is, it's an original CAT replica question. Most of the students will not solve this question because these x power 0, these x power 1, these x power 2, these x power 3. A cubic equations which they need to solve. But that is non-Anil Nair students. How Anil Nair students will solve it? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 divided by which base system? Which base system? I will get the remainder, which is nothing but the unit digit. X is nothing but 7. Kel katam dukan band. Are you all with me? toughest square drive made very easy. Sachin was not playing the square drive very well. Ramakant Achrekar became the coach. Sachin became very famous for square drive. PT Usha was not able to run beyond 5 kilometers. OM Nambiar came into the picture and PT Usha became an Olympic medalist. Right? Just a little bit of tweak, and you all know very well. Vinod Kambli never had that great coach. He was egocentric. He felt that I can do something on my own. Leg side, he left the wicket. Courtney Walsh identified. Career got destroyed at the age of 25. Another question. I hope it is clear. Another question. In which base system is this equation 3 2 plus 2 4 equivalent to 100 valid? Don't forget the basic definition which I said. In a base system K, the digits will be from 0 to k minus 1. Digits will be from 0 to k minus 1. In any base system K, the digits that are used are from 0 to k minus 1. This is something everybody knows. 3 2 plus 2 4 equivalent to 100. मेरे को पूरा नंबर नहीं होना है सर, only a unit digit I know. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by which number? I will get unit digit which is nothing but the remainder. 6 divided by x, it is 0. 6 being a composite number, 6 divided by x is 0 means x is a factor of 6. X is a factor of 6. Are you all with me? What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 divided by 1, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2, remainder 0. 6 divided by 3, remainder 0. 6 divided by 6, I got a remainder 0. How can I get 4 different numbers? No. You will, even though it seems like 4 options are right. If this is right, in a base system 1, digit 2 does not arise. In a base system 2, digit 3 does not arise. In base system 3, digit 4 does not arise. Answer for this question is base system 6. Answer for this question is base system 6. I hope it is clear. Even though by looking at the question, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by which base system, I will get the remainder which is nothing but the unit digit. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by some base system, remainder is 0. So x will be a factor of 6. X is 1, 2, 3, 6. It cannot be 1 because in a base system 1 digit 2 does not arise. In a base system 2 digit 3 does not arise. In a base system 3 digit 4 does not arise. Answer happened to be 6. I hope it is clear, right? So you can determine a base systems like this. Now see here, let us solve few more questions. What we discussed is a preliminary